everyone. If you're looking for a Temu free gift code that actually works, pay close attention because I know the frustration. You try a code, nothing happens. No reward, no confirmation. So today, I'm sharing a free gift code that is currently working, and I'll show you how to use it properly. Before we go any further, I've put the working Temu free gift code right here on screen. It's also down below in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes in case Temu rotates this one later. Now let's talk about the word instantly. What works instantly really means. Let's be clear, this doesn't mean you enter a code, free iPhone appears, done. What it means is the code triggers the free gift event immediately. No invalid code error, no dead response, reward interface activates. That's the real definition of instant. Step 1, use the correct entry flow. Most people fail right here. They open Temu first, browse randomly, then try entering a free gift code. Wrong order. Instead, click the first link in the description. This ensures Temu recognizes promotional entry before normal browsing begins. Step 2, activate the event. After opening the page, scan the QR code mobile or use the manual activation option desktop. Now Temu is aware you're entering a free gift flow. Step 3, open Temu. Once inside the app, you should notice free gift interface reward/event screen, gift selection option tracker or progress system. This confirms the code worked if nothing appears. That usually means activation didn't register, session conflict, code rotation promotion not available in region. Simply retry using the link or one of the backup codes below. What happens after activation? Once triggered correctly, free gift mechanics. Unlock required interactions appear, reward tracking begins. Item becomes eligible to claim. Why this code feels different? Because many codes show invalid, do nothing, fail silently, but a working code triggers event logic, changes interface behavior, starts reward flow. So if you want to try a Temu free gift code that works instantly, use the one on screen. Just remember, entry flow matters. Activation order matters. Don't treat it like a normal coupon. And if it works for you, comment what gift you selected. I love seeing real results.